Milton is designed with your small business in mind to give you all the tools you need and nothing you don't. Contact management, project management, and financial management are incorporated in one integrated, secure, and portable application. Whether you're a software developer, a lawyer, or a graphic designer, Milton is there to keep you organized from the potential lead through planning and managing your project to sending your final invoice. In broad strokes, Milton is made up of 5 different areas. The dashboard, accessible through the home link, is what you see first. The other areas are the Contact Manager, Project Manager, Finance Manager, and Timesheet. So you can begin using your Milton account as quickly and effectively as possible. Let's begin by setting up your account settings. Click the Admin button. First, verify your personal information by clicking the pencil icon next to your name. Be sure that your target hourly rate is listed and that your information is all correct. Click Save to keep your changes. You can also add new users at your company in this section. Next, click Edit Company Details on the left-hand side. Verify your company information is correct, as this is the company information that will appear on your invoices to your customers. Click Save to keep any changes. Also on the left-hand side, you can see your account status, including when it was activated and the next day a payment is due. On the lower left, you can manage some of the default settings. You can upload your company's logo, which will appear on your invoices, and set defaults for task duration, reminders, invoice cycle time, and contact type. The contact type setting refers to who you consider your customers to be: the companies you do business with, or the individual people at those companies, or both. For example, a corporate lawyer would consider the company his customer, while a divorce lawyer would consider the person to be their customer. A lawyer who handles both types of cases would choose both. The next section lists the type of roles you can assign to users in your company. Defaults are Administrator, Finance Manager, Project Manager, and Sales Manager. You can also custom define roles and assign whatever privileges you like. Now that your account settings are updated, we can get to work in the Contact section. First, add the company where your contact works. Click Add Company and simply enter the contact information for the company. Here, we'll add a company called Demonstration. Note the company does not appear in the Contacts pane since you haven't added a person at the company yet. Click Add Person and enter his or her contact information and assign to a company. We'll add Zeke and assign him to the company Demonstration. Click Save. Now Zeke appears in the list at Company Demonstration. You can search for contacts either by company name or the person's name. Click Clear to see the entire list again. On the bottom right, we have 2 to-dos that appear, which are related to your sales activities with your contacts. You can also add a to-do item to your list by clicking Add. Since we were on the contact screen, it defaults to a contact to-do. You can change this if you want to add a project to-do, financial to-do, or just a general to-do that doesn't fall into one of those categories. In this case, we'll assign it to the contact Zeke that we just created. Add a subject, then give it a date and time. You can add attachments, assign it to other users, or schedule it as a recurring task. In this case, we'll just click Save. It appears in your to-do list on the Contact page. When you click Home to go back to the dashboard, you'll see the Zeke to-do in your master to-do list as well. The dashboard also has the complete to-do list, regardless of type, and the list of all active projects. That brings us to Milton Projects. You can add a project as either active or proposed. Here, we'll add a proposed project for the company we just added, with Zeke as the contact person. Click Add in the Proposed Projects, then select the company Demonstration and Zeke as the contact. We'll give the project a name and project ID, and start and due dates. To price the project, you can put in total hours and total fees, or you can get more detailed and estimate the project based on the tasks being done or the people doing the work. In this example, we'll estimate using the tasks we're going to perform. Click Add Task, then list the tasks you'll be doing, the associated hours, and the hourly rate. Click Add Task again to add more tasks. In this example, we have 2 tasks, planning and implementation, at 20 and 80 hours and $100 and $120 per hour respectively. Click Calculate Project Fee, and the total hours and fees appear automatically. We can still change these as needed, for example making the fee an even $12,000. Click Save and return to the main project page. The Zeek project now appears in your proposed project list. Once Zeek accepts the project, make it active by clicking the Activate button and the project flips to the active list. Now that you're actively working on the project, you need to track your time and expenses. Click Timesheet. Select the Zeek project from the list, the task you were working on, and the number of hours you worked. Then click Save. As you record time each day, it adds up so you can see My Daily Progress. You can navigate to prior days with the calendar. You can also easily add expenses to the project by selecting the project, amount, date it was spent, and a description of the expense. Click Save. Finally, click Finances to go to the Finance Manager. You can generate an invoice for work you've done, review invoices you sent but haven't collected, and any bills that need to be paid. Those are the basics of getting started with Milton. For more information, please visit our support page.